which castor oil is best for our hair? Is it this one or is it this one? Which one is the best one? That's coming up next.
Welcome back everybody. So let's talk about castor oil. Now castor oil is becoming one of the most popular remedy for hair loss and powerful ingredient for hair growth. Now this is the one that I purchased. A subscriber pointed out to me that this is the incorrect castor oil, the black Jamaican castor oil that I purchased. I've mentioned this in a video before. So when you look here at the back, the first ingredient is definitely the castor oil seed. And how they get the castor oil to be so dark is that they roast the seeds when they're extracting the oil. Now, I have been using this from since February. I had my braids in last year, December, and I took them out and I've been using it since then. Since my braids, this is what my edges were looking like, and I've been using the black Jamaican castor oil to regrow my hair. Now the oils that you see here are infused with the castor oil, and all these oils are great for hair growth. That doesn't necessarily mean that the black Jamaican castor oil, this brand, the Sunny Isle brand, whatever brand, is not good. Okay, so how I've been using my black Jamaican castor oil, I add it to my deep conditioner. I use it as a hot oil treatment. I use it as a pre-poo treatment, and I do use it to oil my scalp, and I do use it to oil my edges. Okay, so I went ahead and I decided to get this particular brand. It says it's the Palmer Christie castor oil, hexane free, and it's pure cold pressed castor oil. Now if you're not sure what the hexane is just a colorless liquid derived from petroleum. It is a gas that they use to extract the oil from the seed for cooking, and it's used as a cleaning agent for shoes and furniture and stuff like that. But this is pure cold pressed castor oil. It means that it did not go through the process of the hexane. Now I've been using it since February, and this is what my edges look like. So let me know in the comment section what you think of how my edges are looking like now since February. Okay, so I decided to smell the black Jamaican castor oil. It has a slight scent to it, whereas the colorless one, the hexane free pure cold press, doesn't have any scent. And when I tested it to see how well the black Jamaican castor oil is, it's a bit runny compared to the pure cold pressed castor oil, which is a little bit thicker. So for both of these side to side, which one is best for us? Both is best for us. They both boost hair growth. They both boost hair growth 3 to 5 times with regular use.
So I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the club down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.